Easy way to multiply 3-digit number. Here we are going to see how 3-digit numbers are multiplied easily. So the first example is 321 into 112. So these two numbers are multiplied by using 5 steps. So the first step is multiply unit digit. Unit digit is the number which are presented in the ones place. That is said to be the unit digit. Very first we have to multiply 1 and 2. 1 into 2 is 2. That should be written in the ones place. Step 2. Cross multiply unit digit and 10 digit. After that we have to add. So here the unit digit are 1 and 2 and then 10th digit are 2 and 1. So we have to cross multiply it. 2 into 2 is 4, 1 into 1 is 1. So 1 plus 4 equal to 5. So that 5 should be written in the 10th place. Then step 3, cross multiply unit digit and 100 digit, multiply 10 digit and add. So here in step 3, we have to multiply unit digit and 100 digit. That is the number which are presented in the ones place and 100 place. So the number presented in the ones place are 1 and 2. The number presented in the 100 place are 3 and 1. So we have to cross multiply it. So 1 into 1 is 1 and 3 into 2 is 6. So after that we have to multiply 10th digit. That is the number which are presented in the 10th position. The 10th position values are 2 and 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. So we have to add 1 plus 2 plus 6 equal to 9. That should be written in the 100th place. Step 4, cross multiply 100 digit and 10th digit. So that is we have to multiply the numbers which are presented in the 100 digit and 10th digit. So here 2 and 1 presented in the 10th position, 3 and 1 presented in the 100 position. We have to cross multiply it. So 2 into 1 is 2 and 3 into 1 is 3. So 2 plus 3 equal to 5. That should be written in the thousands place. Next step is step 5. That is the last step. Multiply 100 digit. So 100 digit means the number which are presented in the 100 place. So the number presented are 3 and 1. So we have to multiply 3 and 1. 3 into 1 is 3. So that 3 should be written in the 10,000 place. So the number after multiplication the value is 35,952. Example 2. Next we are going to multiply 3-digit numbers. So these 3-digit numbers are having the carryover. How this number is multiplied. So next we are going to see. Here also we are going to see only 5 steps. Using 5 steps how the numbers are multiplied. So example given here is 412 and 653. We are going to multiply these two 3-digit numbers. Step 1, multiply unit digit. So here in ones place the number presented are 2 and 3. Very first we have to multiply 2 and 3. 2 into 3 is 6. That 6 should be written in the ones place. Step 2, cross multiply unit digit and 10 digit and add. So after that we have to cross multiply the unit digit and 10th digit. So unit digit means the number which are present in the ones place and the numbers which are presented in the 10th place. We have to cross multiply it. 2 into 5 is 10 and 1 into 3 is 3. So 10 plus 3 equal to 13. So in that 13 we have to write 3 in the 10th place and 1 should be written for the carryover. And then step 3, cross multiply unit digit and 100 digit, multiply 10 digit and add. So what is the step 3? We have to cross multiply the ones position and 100 position. The number which are presented in the ones position are 2 and 3. The number presented in the 100th position are 4 and 6. We have to cross multiply it. 2 into 6 is 12 and 4 into 3 is 12. Then we have to multiply ones digit, that is tenth digit, that is the number which are presented in the 10th place. So that are 1 and 5. So 1 into 5 is an 5. So 12 plus 5 plus 12 equal to 29. Already we are having 1 as a carryover. So 29 plus 1 equal to 30. In the 30, you have to write 0 in the 100 place and 3 should be written for the carryover. So then step 4. Cross multiply 100 digit and 10 digit. That is, we are going to multiply the number which are present in the 100th position and the 10th position. So 1 into 6, the value is 6, and 4 into 5, the value is 20. So 6 plus 20 equal to 26. Already we are having the carryover 3. So 26 plus 3 equal to 29. In this 29, 9 can be written in the thousands place and 2 can be carried over to the 10,000 position. Step 5. Multiply 100 digit. So that is, we have to multiply the numbers which are presented in the 100th place. The numbers are 4 and 6. 4 into 6 is 24. Already we are having the carryover 2. So 24 plus 2 is 26. That should be written in the 10,000 place and lakh. So the answer presented here is 2,69,036.